Welcome all. And as we all know, our health minister was a eminent ENT surgeon. So we were very hopeful when he rose in the floor of Parliament to say something about the NMC bill. We felt that he will keep the interest of the medicos. But seeing the outcome and actually the whole India, all medicos of the total India arose from the slumber, and so this particular presentation is just not about MCQ. Let's make it a little light-hearted one. So as he was a eminent surgeon himself, so let's think that all the medicos actually asked him a MCQ. So right now the trend is that giving the IBQ or image based question. So he actually posted this sort of picture and asked this particular question. This is most likely associated with this picture. So he was talking about one particular condition. It's a pretty easy MCQ, it's not that tough because it has been asked before. The condition he was talking about is paracusis willisi. Paracusis willisi, where a person is actually hearing better in a crowded space. So as if this particular gathering helped him to hear more the voices and the anguish of modern medicine doctors. I am not getting in detail either about this National Medical Commission bill or IMA directive. It's not a debate, and what is important, we have expected, being a doctor, he should have little heart for the hardship that a medico does to get into medicine. Out of 100 at this point of time, also it has increased. At this point of time, out of 100 people giving the NEET undergraduate examination, 5 only is getting selected, including the private medical colleges where the fees is alarmingly high, and the general category government medical colleges, general category, there are hardly 2 people out of 100 is getting in. So this is the quality. You are actually taking the best out of a total cohort and you are treating them like this. Then you are expecting they will work day and night to save the life of person. Then also all over India people are doing it. So we actually, with the folded hands, it's not raising our voices, with the folded hands we actually appeal to the leaders to be have little bit heart and understand what are the challenges a medico is feeling. And this paracusis willisi, we have not given the answer. It is actually characteristically seen in otospongeosis. This is the answer of this particular MCQ because I have seen people asking what is the answer. And right nowadays also we have seen people are trying to post interesting MCQ points. Let's post 3 interesting MCQ points from paracusis willisi. It's a have both genetic and environmental condition associated with it. So it is an autosomal dominant. Initially it is going to be conducting hearing loss and it is going to proceed into sensory neural hearing loss later. New points which have not been asked yet and talked yet, that is measles vaccination. It is seen that it is having an association with measles virus, and measles vaccination actually decreases the occurrence of otospongiosis, and also there are two kinds of therapy. There is a medical therapy, there is surgical therapy. Most definitive is till now is tapedectomy, and the drug generally used to minimize the chances is fluoride. So these are the only important points. These are just the snippets. We can go on because this particular topic is time and again not only asked in your PG entrance examination, but also in your NB, third NB examination. It is a very important topic, and time and again question came from this particular topic as a short note, third MB. So if you like this particular presentation, you don't need to be pensive or getting into nihilistic delusion all the time, which is being very visible. Take it with a pinch of salt and try to create something good. And we also actually continue our appeal to the authority to have little heart, to understand why people are expressing their anger, their doubts regarding this bill, and come up with a proper feasible solution. Thank you.